Children, we are going to start with Chapter 2, Creating Tables in MS Word. Now we will look at the steps to create the table. First step, position the cursor at the point in the document where the table is required. Second point, click Insert Table and then click Table button in the Tables group. Third step is the Insert Table pop-up menu bar is displayed. In fourth step, just by dragging diagonally on the small square, you can select the size of your table. For example, if you want 6 into 3 table, 6 columns and 3 rows in your document, you can drag your mouse up to 6th column and 3rd row in the given set of squares. Fifth step, you can see various options below the group of squares. Sixth, you can insert table clicking Insert Table. Seventh, a dialog box Insert Table appears. You can see a table appears at that place where the cursor is present. Now we are going to see how to enter data in the table. The first step is click in the desired cell. Second, type the data. Children, we are going to learn how to modify a table. Once table in MS Word is created, we can modify it anytime according to our needs. We can insert or delete the columns and rows. We can also change row heights and column width. Now we will see how to insert rows or columns. The steps are: first step, drag on a row or a column to get it selected. Second, Table Tools button gets active. Third step, click Layout tab on the taskbar. You will see a new ribbon with many options. Fourth step, in rows and columns group, there are 4 options: insert above, insert below, insert left and insert right. Click an option according to your need. To insert a row, you can use insert above or insert below option. To insert a column, you can choose insert left or insert right. Now we are going to learn how to delete rows and columns. The steps to be followed are: first step, select or click in the cell, row or column you wish to delete. Second, Table Tools option becomes active. Click on Layout Table. Third, click the Delete button in Rows and Columns group. Fourth, a menu appears with 4 options. Fifth, here you can click the desired button. Sixth, the last option, Delete Table, deletes the entire table. Children, let's know what do we mean by merging cells. Merging cells means combining 2 cells or more cells into a single cell. The steps to merge cells are: select the cell you want to merge. Second step, Table Tool button gets active. Click Layout tab. Fourth step, now click Merge Cell button in the Merge group. Splitting cells. Cells can also be split. For this, the steps are: first, select the cell that is to be split. Second, click Split Cells button in the Merge group. Formatting in a table. After creating a table, we can format it to suit our purpose. We can change the row height, column width, or apply borders and shading to the table. We can also format the text entered in the table. Formatting text. In a table, we can format the text in the terms of fonts, color, font size, etc. To do so, we have to follow the steps. First step, select the text or the cell. Second step, click Home tab. Third step, click Font to get the font dialog box. Fourth, select the required options. Click OK button. The selected part of the text will be formatted as per the chosen options. Changing the column width. To change the column width, we have to follow the following steps. First, select or click in the column whose width you want to change. Second, select and click the Layout tab in the Table Tools. Third, click Properties button in the Table Group. Fourth step, Table Properties dialog box appears. Fifth, click the Column tab. Sixth, select the Preferred Width check box. Seventh, type the column width you want. Eighth, click OK button. Changing row height. To change the row height, we have to follow the steps. First, select or click in the row whose height you want to change. Second, select Properties from the Table group of the Layout tab. Third, the Table Properties dialog box is displayed. Click on the Row tab. Fourth, select Signify Height check box. Fifth, give new height of your choice now, or you can click the drop down arrow on the right and choose one from the options available in the drop down list. Sixth, click OK button. Children, now we are going to learn about adding borders and shading. MS Word already provides a half-point black solid line border around all the table cells. If we want to change the borders and shading style of the entire table or the selected cell, we have to follow the step. First step, select the entire table or the cells. Second, click on Design tab of the Table Tools. Third, click on the right arrow of the Draw Borders button. Fourth step, the border and the shading dialog box appears. Click on Borders tab. Sixth step, select a border setting. Seventh, choose a line style from the Style drop-down list. Eighth step, select the desired line color from the Color drop-down list and the desired line width from the Width drop-down list. Ninth, click the Shading tab. 10th, select the desired shading color. If you want to remove shadings, click No Fill. 11th step, click on the Page Border tab if you want to provide a border to your page. 12th, select the preferred page border. 13th, click on the OK button. After applying the borders and shading, you will get the following result as shown in this slide. Children, you can try this example given in your textbook on page number 20. Rahul has been asked to create a Word document to display the class timetable in the classroom. Children, we are going to see how to do calculations in a table. Calculations can also be performed on the numeric data entered in the table. To find the sum of the values in a column or the row, we have to follow these steps. First step, click in the cell where you want the result to be displayed. Second, select the formula option from the data group of the Layout tab of Table Tools. Third, the formula dialog box is displayed. Fourth, click on the OK button. Now children, we will see how to update the totals. To do so, we have to follow the steps. First, select the cell where the total is displayed. Second, press F9 key. After performing all these steps, we get the following output which you can see here in this table. Performing calculations in a table was the last part of this chapter. Children, I hope you all have understood this chapter. Children, we will meet again in the next chapter. Thank you.